Yum! Guys, welcome to another video. What's going on? It is Friday today. Actually, it is Friday. I'm actually filming on a Friday, which is crazy. Today, we're working with Blue Pepsi. Blue Pepsi, it originated in France. It's made up of all kinds of botanicals. It's all natural flavors. A little bit of background, a little bit more history on this. Apparently it was banned in Canada at one point, but now it's not, I guess. This was a challenge from a friend of mine. I'm not sure why he likes it so much. I've actually never tried it, and I'm not sure that I will like it, James. I'm not gonna lie to you, buddy. Apparently it's berry flavored, so I'm guessing it's gonna be berry nasty, but we'll see what happens here. A little splash of this. It's amazing. I won't lie to you guys, it's amazing. Got a little steeped, like strong steeped rosehip hibiscus kind of tea. In fact, it's this one right here. You can get it at your local grocery store. It's called Passion. Apparently there's some orange peel in it as well. So we're gonna play with some of that. I've got some fantastic rye whiskey here. I've got a little bit of orange bitters to play off the orange peel in the tea. And we're just gonna get to it, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't made a cocktail in months, weeks, days.
It was yesterday.
Earlier that day. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna throw in 2 ounces of rye, just because that is the only liquor component in the cocktail. I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of this steeped rosehip tea. I'm gonna throw in some lemon juice, 1 ounce. And then normally add a simple syrup of some kind, but because we're using this Blue Pepsi that has a fair bit of sugar in it, I'm gonna omit that. Let's do 4 dashes, 4 solid dashes of bitters. And now we're gonna throw some ice. Beautiful. Grab a Collins glass here, highball glass, whatever you call it. I'm gonna fine strain that. And we're gonna just top it off with this beautiful product. And here we've got an amazing, look at that, it's like a sunset or something. Here we go, guys. What should we garnish that with? Maybe just like a little lemon wheel or something. Keep it nice and easy. None of these are good. Ta-da!
Nice.
Did you see it overflow or?
No, not really.
Perfect. We're going in for a taste. First time ever. I'm not worried. It's actually really good. It's really, really good. To be fair, you don't taste much of this. That being said, I'd probably tone back the lemon juice, maybe go to like a 3/4 ounce, and maybe just do 1 ounce of the tea because I did let it steep for a long time. So that's strong. It is the most prominent flavor definitely in that cocktail. James, when you're making this, 1 ounce, 3/4 ounce. And then you'll make up that difference with the Pepsi, balance it out a bit more. Okay, what am I doing here?
For some strange reason, we're making a second cocktail.
Okay guys, cocktail number 2. And I know what you're thinking. 2 Blue Pepsi cocktails? Sam wanted it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna shake this up again. We're gonna grab our shaker. This time we're gonna go with some vodka. We're gonna go with 3/4 ounce. Yeah, yeah. Soho, if you're not familiar, this is a lychee liqueur. Lychee. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of that. Lychee, kind of floral. It's very interesting. There's a lot going on with lychee. Try it out. Super fun. What else am I gonna put in here, Sam? A little bit of lime juice. We're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce this time. And because I left it out, I'm just gonna use a little bit of orange bitters. Because why not? It's 2 good dashes. Watermelon's in season. Been eating a lot of it. And I'm gonna just take a little, get the rind off of it. Just give it a quick chop. Let's throw it in the shaker. Let's get some watermelon going on in this cocktail. Grab some ice. Smells wonderful. Let's get a glass. We're just gonna use Beauty Little Collins glass once again. Some of you might be thinking, like, does he even own any other glasses? And I do. So don't even worry about it. Let's fine strain that beautiful watermelon pulp out of there. And once again, let's top it off with this little beauty. Top it off. Oh yeah. Looks like cotton candy. Isn't that cool? Take that to a carnival. You know, everybody's laughing. And because we put lime juice in it, let's throw a lime wheel on top. Boom. You're welcome, James.
That's gotta be the weirdest drink you've ever made.
Top 5 weirdest drinks I've ever made. I think it's gonna be stinking delicious though. I'm not gonna.
Colors are mixing.
I know.
Weird.
Oh, if you've ever.
It turned gray.
Actually, I could see that. That'd be nice. That'd be nice on the wall. Hey, watch it. Let's try it. Yum! No, it's actually pretty good. Slapping an $11 price tag on that. Nobody's a little wiser. No, this is more like a couple hours east of Toronto kind of drink. Oh, you know what? I forgot the garnish. Oh, I forgot to do the garnish of the thing.
Excited to take a sip.
I know. I couldn't wait. Okay, now we're just gonna grab this little guy. This is the little torture tool here. Let's try it out. Oh, that worked better than I was expecting. Drum roll. Oh, that looks like absolute garbage. Look at this cool thing. It looks like it's toxic. It looks toxic. I think I saw this on Lake Ontario before. It's not bad if you drink it fast. It's really refreshing. Yeah, guys, there we go. 2 cocktails using Blue Pepsi. Just so you guys know, we don't turn down any challenges, even if we should. So if you have a challenge for us, let us know. Put in the comment section. I'm not threatening you, sorry. I didn't mean to threaten you. Let us know what you got. Pepsi's, other pop products.
Ideally not, right? Maybe.